Freddie, are you gonna come over here? Molly, it's rolling. Get over here.
I'm over here.
No, I mean Freddie.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, Freddie.
Hi.
Yeah.
Bye.
Oh my God, you're floating in midair, so like. Well, yeah, guys. Oh my God, yeah, this is my friend that I said I would do a vlog with sometime.
Oh shit.
Hi, buddy.
I need a pay case.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, this is last day of school, so. And we're walking to Dutch Bro.
Dutch Bro.
Dutch Bro.
Dutch Bro.
Noise.
Was that supposed to be your Freddy voice?
No.
Yes.
It is Dutch Bro.
Yes. I'm not going to do my little opening right now because, yeah, we're kind of 7th graders and we're in plastic toys.
Well, they're 8th graders, so who cares?
Woo!
We're all high schoolers, so...
They're freaking plastic toys, Molly. Okay, Freddie, stop going to the camera there, will ya? Oh my gosh, in 1 minute we've walked all the way from our gym. We're like halfway to the Dutch Bro. No. Ow! Okay, my
shot is Christina.
What?
We should be serious movement.
Woo!
Bruh. You can have a seizure by doing this, you know that, right?
Yep.
Bruh.
No! Oh my God, I'm
gonna get someone a seizure.
Okay, I just made Foxy make out with the camera.
You're gonna get a seizure, right? Warning, this video contains seizure.
Yes! Woo!
If you get seizures easily, don't want to watch this video.
Oh my God!
This video may cause seizures.
Are you in love with the camera, Foxy?
I should have said that in the beginning of the video.
Wait. Are you in love with the camera, Foxy?
Yeah.
No.
But,
maybe.
I should have said that.
You stop! Freddie just kissed him!
I should say that in the beginning of the video.
Okay, Molly,
Video
get
may
Freddie
cause
under the camera, please.
Bruh.
Thank you. Are you kicking me off the camera?
Head.
Alright, well, whoa.
Bruh.
Yeah.